Today at Mobhouse Punboxing, I have something to show that aku orang Cina, amateur on camera. But with this monitor, you can always order chicken dinner! Today's Punboxing is very mysterious and ancient like me. That's why my ancestral sword also come out. Sorry, Akong Ama, I have disgraced you. Whew, this box very big, very good. Can help cover my belly. Remember to follow these instructions if you don't want to break your monitor. And the first thing you'll see is this warning letter, but the only thing you need to check is the age of consent of your wallet. Next, we have the cables, and the first one is the DP cable, not double pan cable, you dirty fellow. It's display port lah. And then we have the power cable from China, because I'm the first one in Malaysia to get my hands on this. Told you I'm special, don't believe. Next, you have to flip the box and remove the outer jacket, because it's getting hot in here, so take off all your box. I am getting so hot, I wanna take my box off. Then you will reveal the white foam protection thing, and the first thing you'll see is legs like chicken, so you're forbidden cause you've driven in PUBG and sent your teammates to heaven! 快使用双截棍，呵呵哈嘿！快使用双截棍，呵呵哈嘿！会呀！ Now we have the warranty slip, and you should keep it if you're not a bangsawan like me. Next, the batang, thick and black, very strong. It has a toolless visa mount because they know you're a noob and don't know how to use screwdriver. Time for the main event. You need to angkat, tolak, masuk, pitch it, and install it like this. Then you give it a good and firm screwing. That's what she said. Finally, it's time to channel my inner Baki, Kengan Ashura, and beat the white foam off. Hiya, you think I lioness meh? Everyday break stuff until I have to wear sandals with socks. Here at Mobhouse, we only break your heart, not things, huh? But please still remember to share this video out. Thank you very much. Be like Shane, be a bangsawan, and buy this shirt. Time for some next level very changgeh biro so that your eyes can be feasted in the beauty of this monitor. This monitor uses a 27-inch 1440p VA panel with a gentler curve like your girlfriend of 1500R and a refresh rate of 144Hz and 1 ms MPRT response time. So if you still can't kill anything in games, then you should admit that you're a noob. It has a maximum brightness of 250 nits typical with a contrast ratio of 3000:1 typical, and it supports HDR, high dynamic range. This monitor looks very gamery, and it is black with red lines all over. It has a maximum height of 528.6 mm, a width of 612.37 mm, a depth of 227.4 mm, and a weight of 5.4 kilograms. Wow, Simon, you write this so detailed for what? It can swivel 30 degrees to the left and 30 degrees to the right, and tilt down 5 degrees and up 23 degrees, and go up to a height of 130 millimeters. In terms of connectivity, we have 2 HDMI 2.0, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, 1 headphone jack, and 1 power connector. And for the first time, there's no OSD nipple, and OSD buttons can be found below the screen. By the way, what's OSD? OCD I know lah. Now let me show you Sai Chui Tulang and play game and show off the flicker-free or adaptive sync technology. This is the all-out crazy Aoc Cq27G2 priced at 1,299 ringgit. Cheap, buy! If you like this video, don't be an angry old cauliflower and like, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Woo-da!